In today's video, I'm going to be trying to dropship with Chat GPT.
Chat GPT.
It is blowing my mind.
And let's see how much money I can make in 24 hours. So here are the basic rules. First thing is that I gotta use Chat GPT to find my product and use the tips they give me to find my product. Second is that I have a budget of $0. So I have to dropship with no money, and let's see how much I can make. Now, third thing is I have to get at least one sale, or I have to shave my head. Yup, you heard me right. So stay and watch this video, and let's see if I can get one sale with Chat GPT. I really don't want to go bald. So for this challenge, I'm gonna be using eBay. Now this is because eBay literally takes no money and you don't have to advertise. If I had to use something like Shopify, then I would have to kind of pay for advertisement. Obviously, unless I post on TikTok and make a channel about the product, but then I'm kind of less likely to get a sale. But eBay's super competitive, so let's see if ChatGPT could give us a good category to sell or just a product in general. Now let's go do some research. So here's the first question I asked. I said, how do I research and find a product to sell on eBay? Now what it told us was 6 different ways to kind of find a product on eBay, and I'm gonna try them out and see which one works the best. Alright guys, so after looking at the strategies it has given me, they actually are amazing.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Now I've never seen this one anywhere, and it says to use the advanced settings or advanced search settings and kind of just look at items that are selling already. So I'm gonna do that right now and let's see what I can find. So first thing it said to do was find a category that you would want to sell. So I was thinking kind of toys and hobbies or something outside sports like would be kind of cool, especially since winter's kind of cooling down and it is gonna stop snowing soon. So people are gonna want to start going outside again. So guys, I looked at toys and hobbies kind of category because I feel like someone would be willing to invest their money if it's their hobby or if it's just a fun toy that they can kind of pick up on. And then I put sold listings so that I can kind of see what is selling right now, and it is by date already. It's automatically showing me the most recently sold items. So let's press search right now and let's see what we find. All right, so I'm just scrolling through and I'm literally finding so many BB guns. I don't know why. Another BB gun, another BB gun. Is that an RPG? But I think I might just stick with this. It looks really good and it looks like it would actually sell pretty well. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT said also use Google Trends to confirm the item is trending. So let's see if BB guns are trending. So there was recently a spike which kind of shows that there might be another spike and we might be able to actually secure a couple of sales from this spike right here. Now I wonder why there was a spike. Maybe some sort of trend went out or something cool went out. Now, as you can see in the past 5 years, it has been going up a lot. So also I just realized what the spike was. It's actually just Christmas. So Christmas, I guess it gets a bunch of sales during Christmas. So I'll definitely have to look into that in December. But as we can see, it is kind of keeping its trend. It's just on the way down right now. And then it'll probably keep a steady search rate around here. I also feel like people like to pick up new hobbies, and kind of BB gun is very competitive and people might want to pick it up. So let's create our listing and I'm going to show you step-by-step way to find a supplier for super cheap as well. Alright guys, sadly my computer crashed, but I asked ChatGPT how to find a product to sell or kind of find the product for a cheaper price, and it said when you're first starting off you can use a wholesaler or a brand that's reselling or is kind of like a wholesaler. So it's basically suggesting to use Amazon or Walmart, all these other products that are being sold at retail price. Now what I think I'll use is Walmart because I've actually used them before for eBay dropshipping. Now this is also because they supply you with great tracking and they normally use FedEx or USPS, but with Amazon they use Amazon Logistics, and you can't actually add that to eBay because they're not going to want you to dropship from Amazon. So let's find our supplier on Walmart and let's see if we can find it. Alright guys, so I was looking back through eBay and I was kind of trying to find a product or a brand for BB guns that is trending. Now what I'm going to show you is literally look at this brand that's trending. It's called Uramex. Now there are a bunch selling on here for Uramex. As you can see, I literally just searched up BB gun and this brand is showing up everywhere. So what I decided to do is search it up on eBay, and it's not really showing us any like, you know, pistol type guns, and I feel like those would sell more than like a whole rifle. So what I'm gonna do is try and search up the actual brand. Oh yeah, it's right here. Oh, perfect. And now I'm gonna try and find the cheapest BB gun and see if it is kind of reasonable. So let's go to products and then BB guns. So I'm gonna put this little price range down here and put it to like 39. Oh my god, look at that guys. They have one for $22. Alright guys, so I found my product officially. It's only $20 $22, and I feel like I could sell it for a nice $64. Now why I say that is because there's some going for like 80. Now these are obviously going for super cheap, like 42 and 44.98. So I might have to kind of price mine like this cheaper, but let's just sell this item. So as you can see, it says only 6 left, which might be a problem. Hopefully they don't sell out while I'm trying to drop ship them. But let's list this up right now. Now I'm also gonna ask Chat GPT to give me a good title with keywords for this product, and let's see what it says. Alright guys, so as you can see, it says that it is important to use these keywords, so I'll try and input that into my listing, and let's see what it does. Alright guys, so I've got the product officially listed, and this is kind of what the page looks like. It actually looks really cool and clean, and I kind of like it. Now here's the title, and then I give free shipping so that it pops up and kind of looks appetizing, or it looks good to a buyer. And then for the description, if you guys are going to sell the same product, make sure you add this as well, or your listing will be taken down, and you might actually get a temporary ban on your eBay. So make sure you guys read the rules, but we have officially have it listed, and let's see if we can get a sale while we wait. Remember, if I don't, I have to shave my head. Alright guys, the challenge is officially over, and it has been 24 hours. It is currently 5 p.m. and I started the challenge yesterday at 5 p.m. and let's see if we got a sale. Let's go to orders, and we got a sale. We got a sale. As you can see, we got it at 4 a.m. on January 15. So oh my gosh, thank you, bro. Now would I recommend using Chat GPT or OpenAI strategy for dropshipping? I would say yes. I have never seen the strategy of using the advanced search to find a product to dropship. And honestly, it's really smart because you can find up and coming trends and recently sold items that you can try and dropship. So once again, you guys can see that I got the sale right here, and that was literally today. That's the only sale I got. Now the crazy thing about this is that I got it at 4 a.m. so I only had around 10 hours to get a sale. Now you may think, oh, one sale is not a lot, but that's literally after one day, and imagine we had 10 listings, and imagine each one got one sale. Well, that's 10 sales. So let's go over product cost and how much profit we have made with this OpenAI Chat GPT dropshipping challenge. So to see how much money we're going to be taking out of eBay and making, then we go to payments, and we just look on the right over here, and we have made $38. Now I'm going to go over to the product and see how much it costs for us. So the product cost $22. Now shipping was around $11, give or take. So if we round it up, it was around $33. And now saying that we made $38, that's basically $5 profit. And now let's say that we leave this listing running and we get multiple sales per day. That's passive income just using ChatGPT's strategy. And I would definitely recommend this strategy since it's pretty untapped and I've never seen this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment if you want me to try this challenge for a week. And if I don't get 10 sales, then I have to go bald once again. And let me know, guys.